What's going on YouTube? Skidmark FD here with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing a T4 turbo blanket from PTP Turbos. I ordered it about 4 or 5 days ago. Actually no, take that back. I ordered it a week ago and it took about 3 days to ship. Got here. The box is a little bit crushed, but other than that, I think we're going to be in for a pleasant little surprise with the quality of this. So we're going to open it up, see what's in the box, and see how it looks. So without further ado, here we go. One of these days I'm going to get unboxing down, eventually. Alright, well there's not much to it. It's literally just the turbo blanket, an invoice, some security wire, and a pamphlet. But we're going to open everything up and see how it looks. It smells weird. Just say that. Definitely smells weird. So here's the blanket. There is the number plate saying that it's a legit actual PTP. It was about 164 bucks. The way that it's designed is it fits over the turbo like so, with this portion being facing where the actual turbo bolts up to the manifold, and then you got two little eyelets to put your security wire on, so that once it's on, it actually doesn't come off. You can choose springs, but springs don't really work for me with the way that my engine bay is set up. So yeah, the wire was the way to go. The wire is free also. The springs are like $4.99. So another thing that I was looking at when it came to deciding what blanket that I actually wanted to get was I have limited space between the back of my turbo, so this portion, and my strut tower. So when looking at all the other turbo blankets, they're a lot thicker than this for the same amount of heat retention and absorption. So I ended up going with this one, paid a little bit more money. Honestly, it's a lot better quality. I've used the cheap ones. I've lit one on fire and I had another one completely melt. Like, it burned the seams up and then it fell apart. So then I ended up catching some vacuum lines on fire. So I'm not trying to deal with that again. But yeah, so other than that, that's just a quick rundown on it. It's formed, so there's really no other way that it can go. You can flex it left and right a little bit, and you can open it up barely. So it's rigid, it's formed. You got this, open and close. But yeah, so that's that for the blanket in itself. When it comes time to actually putting it on, I'll do another video. I might actually attach it to the unboxing, but we'll do another video when it comes to actually putting it on. But now let's open up the little baggie of what I assume is going to be information and wire. Well, we know it's wire. You can see the wire. Alright, so cool. We got some stickers, or a sticker. We got a little pamphlet that says, "Thank you for purchasing your turbo blanket. Here at PTP, we take pride in our products and strive to ensure a high level of quality in everything we sell. We provide 1-year warranty covering any defects or problems occurring with your properly installed turbo blanket during normal operations." So they also have a link to an install instructions. Seems pretty straightforward, but I'm sure somebody needed it. That's why they created it. So yeah, so there's that. And then we got a catalog of just a bunch of other stuff that they sell. So yeah, they got turbo blankets for generics like T3, T4, T5, T6, all that. And then they have actual brand specific ones, or model specific. And then they've got their shieldings for different things like hoses, the adhesive thermal shieldings, you got your exhaust wraps. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much about it. So yeah, we're gonna, oh yeah, here's a list of the ones that they actually make for model specific vehicles. But yeah, so here's what you get, again, in a PTP turbo blanket order. And yeah, when it comes to installing, I'll do another video and post it then. So until then, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think about the videos, let me know what you think about me and how I'm doing what I'm doing. Any input is greatly appreciated. So yeah, thank you, have a good one.